Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Shipping for the new Seeker phone officially began on August 4th, and since then, the hype has been non-stop. Everyone has been anticipating this launch, and now it's finally happening. Recently, the team announced that Seeker season will officially kick off on September 8th. This is huge because Seeker season is when owners of the phone can start earning rewards, exploring exclusive apps, and really testing out what this Web3 phone can do. But here is the community concern. This is a big issue because a lot of people, including me, still haven't received their phone yet. And that's making many in the community a little worried. Why? Because Seeker season is about to start and nobody wants to miss out on rewards or early opportunities just because of the shipping delay. A lot of people in the community are pointing out something important. Seeker season is about to begin. Yet, so many of us still don't have the phones we ordered. Some are saying it feels a little rushed to launch rewards when not everyone has received their device yet. And also, there isn't an easy way to reach support for clear answers. And also, many users, even those who pre-ordered early, are still waiting. So I guess where the frustration is coming from, people are simply asking for clear timelines and better communication. Because at the end of the day, we all just want to enjoy the Seeker phone and be part of the Seeker season together. Personally, I think it would be better if Solana Mobile made sure everyone had their Seeker in hand before rolling out Seeker season. That way, the experience would feel fair and inclusive for all early supporters. To be fair, Solana Mobile has confirmed that shipments are happening in batches across over 50 countries. So the rollout is happening depending on where you are. So it might take some extra time. Still, I totally understand why the community is a bit restless right now. We have been waiting months for this phone and the excitement is huge. So here is my question for you guys. Have you received your Seeker phone yet? Drop a comment and let's see how many people in the community already have theirs and how many of us are still waiting. Personally, I can't wait to get mine and finally test out everything they promised. My advice for anyone still waiting is this: don't lose hope. Shipping is happening in batches across more than 50 countries, so delays don't mean you have been skipped. Just make sure you have updated your shipping details, paid any required fees, and keep an eye on your email for tracking updates. Also, don't be afraid to reach out politely to Solana Mobile support through their official sites or social channels if you have been waiting for a long time. Sometimes a gentle reminder helps. Most importantly, remember you are not alone. So many of us, even myself included, are still waiting for our devices. Let's stay patient and encourage one another while we wait. Because once we finally get our Seeker, we will be able to enjoy Seeker season and everything it has to offer together. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the latest updates on the Solana Mobile and everything happening in the Web3. See you guys in the next one.